Good? And you put it in here. You put it in here like this. Look. Yeah. Here. Take one more. You try. No, put it in here. Here. Put it in here. Yucky. Put it in here. Put it in the piggy bank. In the piggy bank. Good job. Put another one. Put it in the piggy bank. Right here. Right up here. A little higher. Oh, you missed the hole. Try again. Right. Oh. Don't bite the coins. Yucky. You put it in. Look. Look. Look, watch. Yeah, you just let it go in your piggy bank. Try. Try money. No. No. Look. No, you don't eat money. This is not snack food. Look. You put it in piggy. Put it in piggy. See? Piggy. Piggy hungry. You feed piggy. No. You put it in the money. Money bank. Like this. Right here. Up here. Try it. Try and put it on here. Good job. Good job. Try again. Do it again. Put it in here. Up here. Drop the coin. Here, Leonidas. Let's put this piggy money in the piggy bank. Good job. Yay. Look, there's more. There's some more coins. Go and put in the piggy. Feed the piggy. Put it in the money bank. Yeah, put it in here. Here. Put it in there. Can you put the money in there? Throw it in. Good job. Good job. We got a couple more pennies. Put the pennies in there. Yeah, feed the baby. Oh, yuck. Put it in. No. Pull it out of your mouth. Don't put it in. Put it in here. Leo, like here. See? Look, watch. Yeah. Yeah, here's a nickel. Here. You put that in. Put that in here. Come over here. Put that in here. Almost. See? Here. Whoop. Just like that. You want to do the pennies? Go ahead. Put it in here. Yeah, put that in here. Go ahead and put it in here. Come on. What'd you do with your pennies? Where are you going? Hey, come back here. Leo. Are you eating the penny? Okay, I gotta go get it.